Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm trying to show you how to debug the code. This is the second part of the coding expert with the AI. I was really thinking about how to show you to debug the code. I'm really happy something happened to our code and it's not working because I was thinking how to show debug the code. Right now, I have a chance to show you how to debug the code because it's really important to know that, and I'm trying to show you how to you can work with AI to debug your code. Let me show you the test step. As you can see here, we only have just one thread. We have a lot of class here, but it didn't um, open the thread. Unfortunately, it doesn't open a lot of thread. It's just um, two thread, I think. I'm trying to fix this bug. First, I'm trying to rename the code. As you can see here, we have a position counter. I was thinking about this part, and I think it's better to move it to a check new for a new signal. That's why I will move this part and move it here. One of the things I think is that this part checkpoint signal have a problem. That's why it doesn't open the new thread. Copy this part and give it to AI for debug. First, I'm going back to the AI and explain about debug, and I'll be back here and copy the code. As you can see, it's done. But I'm trying to ask for a multicolor code box, and also tell that I need to make sure my structure will never change. Okay, now I will copy the code. I will back here and comment this part, and I will compile it, and I will back here and I will copy from here to here. Let me double check here. Okay, we have a problem in the setting. We must put it in one, and I will start it again. Okay, here from here, I will copy this part. I will copy the log here and let's copy this part and back here and this part. I will comment this part and paste the new one and compile and close this one, and I came here and start. Okay, we have some warning here. I will copy this part and we have an error in this part, as you can see. Okay, I'm back to AI and I just select this part, this line, and paste the log. I copy the code back to this part and I will comment this part and paste the new code, compile, back here, close this one and start again. I am a bit confused by debug log. I want to change the format. For example, added candle time and also counter to make it easier to understand. Because MetaTrader use a local time for a log, it make me confused. I can see which log is for which candle. That's why I need to add a counter and counter to debug, and with the number it will make it easier for me to copy the debug to the AI and understand the log. You can ask AI to show you the debug log or print the output of the debug. Then use that text and edit it the way you like it. Then give it back to the AI and ask for a update. I will tell that we need to move this part and have it something like this end of all the print. Okay, I need to tell the AI to add a reset for a debug counter because it keep adding a number. This is not what I want. I want to whenever the function will be run, it will start from the debug number 1, then debug number 2. It keep doing this until the our function finish. It will reset and back to the debug number 1. Here, as you can see in the log, our expert stop at the 1 o'clock. It means that we don't have any log after 1 o'clock, which means that our logic or code about trending management is wrong, because uh, our expect must be start from the 1 o'clock. It means that we need to back to that function and ask AI to check the logic of the code and update the function. I will copy the trade the time function and also our input about the time, starting time and ending time, and I will give it to the AI. Here AI mixed trade time function with the check new signals. This is not what I want. I want to keep the trade time outside the check new signal. I will go and copy the anti function and give it to the AI and ask for an update. Okay, I will copy this part of the log because in this time we had a sell signal, but nothing happened. I will copy the log and give it to the AI and let it know we had a sell signal here and nothing happened, and ask for update. Update the code. All you need is that to just copy part of the code and something, copy that and paste it here, something like that. Press enter and let the AI update the code. It get more messy and it look like wasting money time. Or something simple thing is getting complex. I don't really like it. I'm trying to say that I use I something like this. Okay. Okay, I will copy the code and paste it here. It's really, I think, getting worse. Now time problem fix it, and we have a array of range. We need to fix this one. One of the problem is that the AI doesn't understand in MQL 4 and 5, or in the MetaTrader. We don't have a problem to use a small value, and it's really easy for a MQL or MetaTrader to understand the cross between two small value if they happen in the EMR. That's why here it's trying to use a tolerance and multiply the number and make it bigger to make sure we will not have a problem with a small value in the device. I don't need this part. I will ask to remove it. It looks like we have a problem here in a buffer and we don't have a data in a AMO buffer, and that's why I will copy the log and let the AI know, and also I will going to copy the handle and AMO data, give it to the AI and ask for update. Now our problem in the AMO buffer and AMO handle is fixed, and we will go for a next step. Now I will ask AI to change the code because I don't want to see a lot of print. It will keep print and it doesn't let me to know that where is the problem. Unfortunately, AI get crazy. I was trying to tell the AI I need just print a debug in every new candle. It take me more than 20 minutes. I give up and I will try to get used to what we have as a debug. I'm not trying to blame the AI. Maybe I don't know the good way to explain what I need. That's why I will go to see what will we get as a debug. Now you can see we have a cell signal true in our log. One of the problem was that AI removed and changed my check signal structure. That's why I was trying to see there in the chart. Or we have a open new trade, but AI removed the open new trade function from my checking signal, and also it give me a lot of print as a debug. But finally, I see something like this. May look like everything okay. Now I will back to my old function, old check new signal function, and I will start from old function. The main problem was here, and we need a resize. Okay, as you can see, it looks like everything is correct, and we have a buy and sell signal, and look like our code debugged, and everything worked correctly. Now it's the time to clean up the code and remove all the comment and what is not necessary to have it in the code. Now it's time to edit a check input value function. We need to add something to tell the user. For example, if a user sets a slot loss 0 or something smaller than the 0, it will show the expert will be show the user a warning message, and it will not let the expert run. And for example, it can be for a stop loss, it can be for a TP, it can be for a lot size, it can be for a magic number, or maybe for a time frame, it can be for everything. I'm trying to show you what we can do, and something to protect our capital. We don't want to expect open the trade without a stop loss. That's why we will need to make sure expert we will not ever open the trade without a stop loss. Okay, as we can see, check input value is done. It will return a message to let the user know what is the wrong in the setting. Also, we have this part on init. It will not let the expert run if the setting is wrong. And time to add or release the handle in the code. If the expert removed from the chart, the expert must be remove the handle from the memory. All of the code is correct, and I will go to bring the diagram and check what we have here. Here we have our old diagram. I will update the diagram and make it like our code to explain and show you how the code and explain work, and to help you to understand the code better. Okay, we have here our final diagram. As you can see, the connection between the function is really look like this. I'm trying to explain a little bit. Before that, I will try to explain about this three part. Okay, we have something like this in our code, like get a magic number and set a magic number for expert and log level for a debug. And also we have this one. This one I didn't find correct or more info. It's just look like for we have to use it for a better environment to open the trade. It will help the expert. As you can see, the trade we here. As you can see trade part of the trade library. Also this one and also this one we have to use it. Also because we don't have an ask and bid, I prefer to use this function and this way because it let me to call the function wherever I want in the code. As you can see, we have a current symbol here. I make this part in my other expert to use it for a multiple expert. But just as you can see, I'm showing you, you have to use something like this in your code. And we have it here and ask big, and we have this one. Okay, first we have a user input, then we have on init and on tick and on delete. In the user input, there are some options that let the user choose how the expert works. For example, a stop loss and target and loss size will be used here. As you can see, that's why we are connected here. In the on init, we have a, let me show you. We have a check input value, something here we talk about it. We get the warning message to the user. The setting is not correct, and also we have something to return and not let the AI run if the setting is wrong. Also, we have set a magic number, as I told you before, and log level for a debug. And also, we have a indicator handles. We have it here. Can be run multiple time, but when, for example, we change the time frame, we change the symbol or something like that, or change the input, this one will be just run one time. This one will be we have it here on it will be just run one time where we want to remove the expert from the chart. This one is on tick. This one will be keep repeat. As you can see is a tick. On tick it means that in every tick, every price we have in the chart, this one will be run. As you can see, we have a trade time here. Then in the trade time, we have a check-in signal if trade round is correct and it's our time to trade. Check new signal will be run. Here we have a simple data get ready. We use it here and also use it here. It helps us to make sure we have all the data we need for a symbol. Here we have a check new signal. As you can see, the code is very clean and readable. You can understand the code very quickly. With the small change, you can turn it into an expert for another strategy. We just need to edit these two parts, also this one and also in this one. Let's show you this one and this one and also the logic here. Just three sections will be changed in our code for a new strategy. As you can see, you don't need it. Edit this part or also edit this part in the other strategy. You just need to edit this part and go to finding function and edit this one. Here we have our open new trade. We have it here, but let me explain about this one. We have here a position counter, the top of the check new signal. If we reach the maximum open trade, it will not let the check the signal run, it will exit from here. Also we have a get the symbol data ready. If we don't have enough data for a symbol, it will not let the check a signal run, and we will get after the signal. And we have this one after these two function. Actually after these two condition, we have this one. We get the data here, then we will check the data logic of the buy sell we have here, then we will check the buy, as you can see here, last buy time, and check sell time, as you can see here. We have it here. If everything is okay, we will go to this function here and here, then we will send the buy or sell. This function will understand we have a buy or sell, or buy or sell, and it will open the new trade based on our setting. Okay, I told you about this. We have it here. We have this one for a better environment. Just all my research show that we have to use it to have a better environment for an open trade. And we have a position counter here, as you can see here. We have this code. If we reach the maximum trade, we will not let it will return the number of the trade. As you can see, we use our magic number here. If the position is open with this expert, you will count how many trade our expert open, then we will return the number and we will have the other. Then we have a trade time here, as you can see here, this part, and we check the start hour and end hour and minute, and it will return true and false, and it don't let the expert run if the user set the time. Here we have a get and beat for ask and beat in our code. Here we have a indicator handle. We have it here, use it here, as you can see here on edit, use it here, this part. And we also have a get indicator data, use it here in a checking your signal. This is all the code. Let me show you the code. Okay, I will scroll it down step by step. Okay, now you have a code. If you need to write the code, you can pause the video and type the code. I prefer that you learn it yourself and ask AI to write the code for you. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment and I will do my best to respond. In these two videos, I try to show you the methods and tips you need to know when working with AI. I hope these videos have been helpful for you. Have a nice day and thank you for watching this video.